Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Chalo, let's plan today. Last day of the week. I planned something for you. Let's take it as a competition and do it honestly. There are some things you may know, there are some things you do not know. Fine. But at least take a paper and a pen. I'm giving you 2 minutes. There are some MCQs. Feel as if you've gone for a competitive exam. So something you may know, some things would be extra. Let us try and answer these questions which are important from this chapter when it comes to NEET exam or other papers. So if you're ready with a paper and a pen, let's start. There are two questions on your screen. There is no need to write the answer. You will just write the correct options. A, B, C, whatever you feel correct. One, supposing I feel 1D is correct. So I'll write 1D, 2D, whatever option you feel correct. Then we'll discuss the answers and then you can check your scores and I'll just do the explanation part as well. Giving you a minute, all of you. Please arrange for a paper and a pen if you do not have. Hurry up, children. And once you're done, raise your hands so that I know most of you've done. We'll scroll down. Okay? Hurry up, bache. Start. Chapter is all mixed. Mainly it is digestion and absorption. Please start doing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, actually, I just WhatsApped you about that to send
Beta,
me the
I'm out.
notes of
I'm out.
digestion.
I'm out. I think one time I had already sent you. Once I've already sent
Ma'am,
you the notes. Check out. I don't know which chapter. Personally, I sent you on your number. Which chapter was that?
ma'am, cell.
Okay. I just remember one chapter I sent you personally when I got your message. I'm out of Bareilly. I'll be reaching home tomorrow. I had messaged this to
Okay.
someone else also. So, okay, my notes at home. Once I reach home tomorrow, I'll forward it to you better. There was one more
Okay.
message. Once I reach home tomorrow, I'll certainly send it to you. Good that you're so sincere about it. Very good. There's one more child who messaged me and I answered that, okay, once I reach home, I'll send you. One chapter I remember you messaged me, I sent you personally also. Good, Bhavli.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Try, bache. Once you're done, just raise your hands. Once these two answers are done. Prepare yourself for competitions right from class 11's children. Learn to assume and link things. Bhavlin is already done. I'm waiting for other hands. Anadi, Anmol, Krish, Pallavi, Parth, Surabhi, and Zeba. And Monday we'll be starting with a new chapter. Anmol, Parth. Anmol, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, you are there. I just wanted to check you're there or not. And Zeba, good morning. Okay, Anmol is also done. Zeba, good morning. Zeba, say good morning, or we'll mark you absent for the entire week coming. What is this? Making fool of yourself as well as me, Vechi. Okay. Question number 3 and 4. See, this may be difficult for you. Here, you need entire guessing. Entire guessing part has to be done. Use your logic, you'll be able to answer. The fourth one, maybe third you're not aware of, not a part of your syllabus as of now, but fourth one you will be able to. Once you do these also, just raise your hand so that I know what speed to scroll down. Just preparing you how to face competitions when it comes to answering biology questions better. Relate one with the other. Anadi, Parth, we are waiting for you. Okay. Okay, very good. Now try and do this better. Glycolysis, guess from the word. What is the word glycolysis? Learn how to find answers even if you do not know the exact answer. Look at this word goblet cells. Remember, they are the part of intestinal epithelial cells actually. They secrete mucosa. Keep in mind and then answer. Anmol, Pallavi, and Parth waiting for you. Okay, fine. Everybody is done. Let's go down. These are simple ones, 7th and 8th. Sai Bache, raise your hands in 7th and 8th. Let's see how many hands raised. 3. Okay, we'll wait for others. Never mind, you can take your time. Fine. Only parts is left. Let's wait for parts. Fine, Bache. Parts is also done. Let's go down. Question number 9, a very easy question, but it is tricky. So be careful. Ninth. Anmol and Pallavi, we are waiting for you. Pallavi is also done. Anmol is also done. Perfect. Let's move further. Tenth and 11th. 10th is easy. You can guess if you read it carefully. And 11th, I'm sure you know the answer. Let me see. Only parts we are waiting for issues. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice parts. चलो. Let's go further. We are done with 10th and 11th. There are 20 questions. 12th one again is not, maybe you're not aware of this. And 13th is a general awareness question. General awareness. If you know the world around you, you'll be able to answer better. Let's see. And what? We'll wait for Nadi and Pallavi. Okay, Pallavi is done. Okay, Anadi is also done. So we can move further now. These two concepts also you have come across 14th and 15th. I was just talking about goblet cells. It's actually not goblet, it's goblet cells. I had just told you also about goblet cells. And now question number 15, 14 and 15. Fine. Everybody has done. That's nice. Zeba, one more chance I'm giving you. See, she's not responding. If any of her friends is there, please inform her. Question number 16 and 17 now. Both the questions are there, direct and indirect from your syllabus. Very good, children. Let's wait a minute for Pallavi. Fine. Very good. Everyone has done. Question number 18 now. Try, children. Question number 18. Fine. Everyone has done this quickly. 18. Now 19 and 20 together. Nineteenth and 20. Finish them, children. Hurry up, bitches. Now we'll do one thing. You want me to show any of the questions again? If you want me to show you
No,
any of the
ma'am.
questions, tell me. If you want me to show
No,
any of the
ma'am.
questions. No, not you. Anyone else? Yes, children.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Confident? Just 1 second. Be ready. You have to check for yourself. Okay. Just 1 second. I'll be scrolling down. Okay, beta. I have to put a substitution. I just got to know that Shashi ma'am is only. Just 1 second. Just. How many answers you think are correct? Tell me. At least make a guess for yourself.
Ma'am, 17 or 18.
17 or 18. Very good. Anyone else? Yes. Tom?
Ma'am, I guess 18 or might be 19.
18 or 19?
19.
Fine,
Yes,
we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. I'll just keep showing you the answers and you can keep checking yourself. And if your score is above 16, then it means that you're going well. Keep checking your answers. Okay, beta? Should I show?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Also read the explanation along with it. That's important because our main purpose is we should also know the logic behind what we are doing. Also go for the explanation. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Richa. Showing you the next one. This I think you must have got the answer correct. Check.
Yes, ma'am. Checked.
Yes.
Third one, there is no explanation needed. You can simply check. Check the fourth one. Better remember this sequence. This is very important. All of you. Okay. They may ask you to put it in sequence also sometimes. So take this carefully and remember the sequence. I hope you all are checking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, I wanted to say something. Read the explanation also for this. Also read the explanation for the answer here. So whenever some microorganism enters your body, right? Obviously, when it reaches the human intestine, and we had read there are different parts of the human intestine. So where will it go and rest? Where will it actually grow, live? Which part, Beta? In which part? Caisum.
Okay, some.
Yes, but so this I don't know. I don't think you've done. If you're going for your NEET, some kind of coachings and all, you must be aware. Otherwise, no. Stenson's duct. So this was a wild case for you people, but still, this was a general awareness question. Let me see. Guess what is the answer?
Liver.
Ma'am, liver.
Okay, liver. Just a little additional information about this. It affects liver, skin, and eyes turn yellow due to deposition of which pigments?
Bile
Bile
pigment.
We always know that jaundice is, actually reflected by yellow color. In India, the most identifying feature is this: the eyes yellow or green, and the person is suffering from jaundice. So why did we ever think कि why yellow हो जाता है? That is because which pigment is deposited on the skin and in the eyes at this time?
Bile pigment.
Bile pigment.
So we should think about these. कि why? I just had about these cells when I was talking about goblet cells. Okay. There is a confusion about stomach also, but as of now, we have not found goblet cells in stomach. Hmm. 15th one. This also, I think, was not in detail in your chapter, but you must have certainly guessed out. Increasing the surface area,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? Which one it could be? Because mainly it was mentioned that food absorption has to be done. So obviously, it is not assimilation, it is absorption. We need to absorb more and more food. So anything which has more surface area would help us out. What was the answer for you people according to you for the 17th question? Guesses? Options? Any guesses? You must have certainly marked something. I just want to know what you marked. That's it. Nobody is answering. You don't want to share what you marked. Yes, Krish. What have you marked?
I have not marked in this question.
Acha, you've left it. You're
Yes,
following
ma'am.
the exact competition point. That let's not do it, otherwise you'll have negative marking. Okay, good one. Yes, beta, Anadi.
Ma'am, B.
Okay. Charlie, let's see. Fructose and amino acids. Sodium ions, they help in absorption, but they do not help in absorption of all the substances. They help in absorption of fructose and amino acids. Yes, this is a nice one. What could be the answer? Yes, what could be the answer?
C.
C. Anyone else who has a different opinion about this? C. Excellent. Let's check for this. This is very easy. Those who are present in the class know about it. Papillae. Okay. So whatever taste you have, taste buds, they are on the papillae of the tongue. They are projections. The tongue is not smooth. On the upper surface, it has got some projections. Projections, high ends like hills. They're actually
Yes, ma'am.
papillae. And these papillae contain the taste buds. This is again general awareness. This is very interesting. Sweet is sugar. Again, a general awareness question, which you will not find in books in biology or chemistry anyway, though you study the structure of sugars and all in chemistry. But sweet is sugar. I think here we can always guess which is the sweetest sugar, according to you. You have to simply make a
Ma'am,
guess.
Ma'am,
Bacha.
fructose.
fructose. Ma'am, A option.
Fructose.
Acha, if somebody saying fructose, somebody saying fructose, that's all? Or any other answer? Fructose, no doubt. Always remember the sweetest sugar is fructose. Okay, can we have the scores?
Ma'am,
Okay, you don't want to
it-
share, never mind. You don't want to share,
ma'am,
never mind.
ma'am,
Yes,
18.
please.
Ma'am,
18,
18.
that's nice. Very good. Because if you see, most of them were from outside. Now, this we are going to do very quickly. I'm not going to give you much because this is very simple, a very simple one. Small intestine has three parts. What is the first part called?
Ma'am, duodenum.
Okay, you agree, children? See, the answer is duodenum. Fine. Dash is a characteristic feature of epithelial cells of the intestine, so it is so easy.
Ma'am, microvilli.
Microvilli.
Yes, microvilli. An infant feeding entirely on the mother's milk passes stools that are colored yellow. What is the reason for this? Stools, the waste, excretory product.
Bile pigments.
Ma'am, bile pigment.
Bile pigment.
Okay, bile pigments. Sure, all of you? The answer is bile pigment. There is no difference of answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. This is all general awareness, bacha. A dental condition that is characterized by hypermineralization of the teeth enamel due to excess intake of dash. The teeth often appear mottled. Excess of what? Hypermineralization of teeth. What do you mean by hypermineralization, children? Excess of minerals being taken in the diet. That is called as hypermineralization. Yes, yes. What is your answer? Fluoride. Spicy food coupled with anxiety may lead to so easy
Indigestion.
indigestion. One of the
Indigestion.
reasons, very good. This is something very simple. One of the reasons why some people cough after eating a meal may be due to improper movement of
Epiglottis.
Epiglottis.
Sure. Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
If you remember, what was the function of your epiglottis? What was the
Yes,
function of
ma'am.
epiglottis?
Ma'am, it Ma'am, it divides food pipe and windpipe.
Yes, beta. Good. Okay, this one. This. Yes, beta. No guesses? Kwashiorkor is the correct answer. Okay? Kwashiorkor is a protein deficiency disorder. I think this you must not be knowing. In frogs, the surface of the attachment for the tongue is difficult for you. It's hyoid apparatus. Hyoid apparatus. Let's go with this. Doctors will suggest dash if a person is suffering from high blood cholesterol. Again, a general awareness question. Doctors will suggest dash if a person is suffering from high blood cholesterol. Think about saturated fats, unsaturated fats. Let's see how many are left and how much time we have. Hmm. Beta, ghee and dalda are saturated fats now. You know this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Lard
ma'am.
is difficult. Lard is difficult to digest. So the best option would be what?
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Yes. Chymosin is also known as because it's absorbed. It is involved in chemical digestion. Chymosin also. The enzyme is also called as chymosin. Which of these enzymes?
Ma'am, renin.
Yes, it is very good. Let's see. Yes, it is correct as far as I feel. Yes, perfectly it is correct, beta. Let's move on to the next one. In humans, the lacteals are found in. This is easy.
Ileum.
Very good. We had done
Ileum.
this. Nyctalopia can occur due to the deficiency of this. I don't think you know about it. This is vitamin A. Pancreatic juice is stimulated by the release of pancreatic juice. Stimulated by the release of guess for the next